Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make an easy weight loss drink by using apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not only helpful to reduce the body weight, but also helps to curb those digestion problems. Let us get into the video. The ingredient: first thing we need is apple cider vinegar. The second thing is honey. Honey has many medicinal properties. The third thing is lemon juice. Take a glass of warm water, add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add in 2 tablespoons of honey. Finally, add in a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this well until the honey gets dissolved completely. Consume this magical drink every day morning to lose the unwanted body weight. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Feel free to comment any suggestion about this video.